How's it going, guys? Welcome to Nabema Collectibles. Today I have a bunch of Funko Pops I wanted to show you. A lot of anime, specifically Avatar. We have the Dark Phoenix from Marvel, Light Fury from How to Train Your Dragon, Medusa, Quasimodo, which is a Disney figure, Ahsoka, the Hot Topic exclusive. Ahsoka does have a little damage at the top. Deadpool, sexy Deadpool. Zuko, and the Zuko Chase. Venomized Hulk. I only have the one Venomized Hulk. Aang with Momo. Bulbasaur from 2019. I started putting the years down so you guys could see. Sokka, Appa, and we have a good one here, Azula, and Katara. And we have some more Star Wars ones. Obi-Wan Kenobi, Specialty Series. Cad Bane. Cad Bane is my favorite Star Wars character. I hope I see him in a movie soon. We have Ahsoka. We have Toph from Avatar. Zazu, Disney character. Goose, Flurkin, Iron Man, Venomized Storm. We have some more Disney Funko Pops. Hades. We have some more DC Funko Pops. Mr. Freeze. Grinch in his underwear, which is an exclusive. Lady Justice from Metallica. We have Yzma, the Chase, and we have the regular Yzma. There's some ad icons like Kool-Aid Man, the Disney Funko Pops, Cusco as a llama, Hot Topic exclusive, Red Wing Robin, and we have the Little Shop of Horrors. There's 5 of these. There's these 2 right here, Audrey and Baby Audrey. There is Orin and Seymour. And the last one of those is Audrey 2. And another Funko Pop that we do have is Dean. That's Dean from Supernatural, and it's the one where he's the coach. I also have some Game of Thrones Funko Pops. We're going to start off with the White Walker. We have the 3-pack metallic dragons. We have the Night King, Jon Snow on the throne, and Daenerys on the throne. The mounted White Walker, and Daenerys and Jorah. There we go, guys. I have the 100 Funko Pop Lincoln. He is damaged. He does have minor box issues, and the price does reflect that. But I do have him available here, guys. So if you are interested, let me know. I could send you more pictures. I also have Lexa, and that's the Lexa Chase. The price also reflects the minor issues that this Funko Pop has. So if you are interested in any of these 2 Funko Pops, please let me know, and I can send you more pictures. We also got some Funko Pops from Disney. We have Russell, Doug with his toys. We have Carl dressed up as a flower, Doug and Squirrel, and Doug with his medal. So we got all 5 of those. We also have the Ninja Turtles. We have Super Shredder. We have Razor and Toka. We also have the 4 turtles, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael. We also have some new DC characters. We have the Flash from the Imperial line. We have Superman. We have Green Lantern and Wonder Woman. And here's some random Funko Pops I'm going to put out. We have Raichu. We have DJ Khaled. We also have 2 Star Wars concept figures. We have Han Solo and the Stormtrooper. I also have the Snowtrooper if you're looking for that one. We have Hello Kitty in a noodle cup. We have Hello Kitty riding a bike. We have Vanya from Umbrella Academy. And we have Negan from The Walking Dead. We also have Charizard, which comes in a pop protector. We have the Stewardess. We have Wonder Woman Twist of Fate. Wonder Woman Odyssey. We also have Super Saiyan Goku. Here's the Pearl Jam 5-pack. We got Grogu eating the cookies. Here's Candyman, Mandalorian with Grogu, Vincent Price, and Boba Fett. Another cool item that I wanted to show you guys is the Advent Calendar of Harry Potter. So that's the Advent Calendar right there. It's $100, and that's the back of the Advent Calendar. And for some higher priced items, I have Kurt Angle, Falcon, Hot Topic exclusive, Samurai Deadpool, Ant-Man with the little Ant-Man inside, Harry Potter exclusive, Black Widow with Captain America's shield, Thor, FYE exclusive, Iron Spider, which is a box lunch exclusive, and Cap Wolf. We also have Hela, Mantis, and Skeleton Gerard. I also have this Wanda from WandaVision. It's Scarlet Witch Marvel Select figure. If you are interested, I have a few of those left as well. Thank you guys for watching, and if anything does interest you, please contact me and I'll see you guys at the next auction.